Data format initialized. 80 seconds until completion.
Part 2. Okay, we actually made it to the second phase of the Desperate Escape. Now, in the previous video, we recorded because we kept running into, the game kept switching everything to veteran mode. As you can see, right now we are fighting...
Yeah, I can get him.
We are fighting military men again. So it went from Majinis to veteran mode.
I did.
And in a fraction of a little story. But we have everything you get from amateur, which is like all the random stuff. But we are fighting people we should not be fighting. So I'm gonna actually do this. I'm gonna see if I can. So I can play. I usually mount it on my computers. My controller, hold it.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
It's...
I thought you were exiting the game. I was like, what are you doing?
No, now I can sit.
Make sure they're not hitting me while I'm doing this.
No, they're not hitting you. No one's coming.
Okay. Where's my controller?
Right here.
Yeah, okay. Fun. I'm gonna start fighting military. Okay, Jill. Just as long as you stay behind me, you're safe. Veteran mode isn't that hard.
I owe you one.
Thanks.
Do you see him?
Yeah.
Dude, I can't hit him inside this thing. Shit! Yeah, why don't you shoot the rockets over here where I am? Make things 10 times easier. Oh, shit!
I'm coming!
Oh! Idiot for wearing grenades on your chest. Come this way, because we definitely have to get that thing. knocked him off the thing! Fuck! So they gotta kill that guy up there.
Ow!
Easy. Like, coming this way.
Come on!
Awesome, he blew the rocks open. Stupid freaking idiot.
Come on!
Damn it, Jill!
Josh!
Understood. Come on!
Damn it, Jill! You're in the way!
I owe you one.
Would you get on it, Josh?
Thanks. Come on!
Understood.
You know what I did not blow up? I didn't blow up that door, did I?
Where'd you go?
I don't think I blew up that door.
No, I don't think so.
Shit, he's holding his head.
His dad blew it off.
Yeah, the door's still there. Oh, did I do that? Sorry. Whoa! Off the stairs! Oh! Just die, dude. One thing you should like about this, though, is even though I changed to veteran, you know why? You have all the weapons that it supports through amateur. You're just fighting all the extra nonsense, is what it is, so it's not that hard. Oh shit. Ground. Yeah, those things up here. Down. Oh shit. Whoa. Where did that come from? See them all up there? See them all running up there? on the floor. I have to watch these things.
I owe you one. Give me a hand! Thanks.
Again, watch out on the floor. Herb, pick it up. You need it.
Where?
Herb, you pick it up. You're here. Where I am.
Come on! A little help! 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 A
Jill!
little help!
Jill! What the hell? You got
Thank you.
Shit!
Why are there spiders in this area?
It's Pregnar's mode. They throw everything at you. It's just-
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Okay. Rock paper scissors.
Thank you. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Up the stairs, Jill.
Come on! Come on!
Where are you going?
Sit up the stairs.
Over here.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Blends in with the blackness. He's too,
You're
too black.
You're too black.
Okay, get over here.
Come on!
Pick up the herb.
You're too black, Josh.
I don't know, Josh can blend in that well. Okay.
Goodbye, fair lady.
System shut down. Thank you for using Trifle Incorporated.